You finally get a raise. More money, more freedom, right? Well, not exactly. Because somehow your bank account still looks like it just survived a robbery. The raise arrives, and suddenly everything needs an upgrade. Phone, clothes, food, car, you name it. Then comes the bigger apartment, because apparently 4 extra square feet are a financial emergency. At first, you were perfectly happy earning $50,000. Life was simple and bills were manageable. Then the first raise hits, and you celebrate like you just won the lottery. Suddenly, that tiny apartment doesn't feel so impressive anymore. And of course, the old car has to go, because a raise apparently comes with horsepower. Then the subscriptions multiply. Netflix, gym, apps, delivery. Your money now has 12 different employers. You reach $70,000, but somehow it feels completely normal. That's lifestyle inflation. Every time your income climbs, your expenses quietly climb with it. You see something expensive and think, hey, I can afford that now. Your old phone still works perfectly, but the new one has 3 cameras, so obviously it's essential. Then you look at a bigger apartment and think, I deserve this, while your wallet quietly disagrees. Eventually, you hit a 6-figure salary. Sounds rich, right? Not if your expenses got there first. Now the bills aren't following you. They're basically chasing you. And social media makes it worse. Everyone online looks richer, happier, and somehow permanently on vacation. So you see your neighbor's new car and suddenly think, yep, I need one too. The dealership makes the payment look tiny, only a few $100s a month. Sounds harmless until every tiny payment joins forces. Now your bills have formed a criminal organization. This is where the trap gets serious. You earn well, but your lifestyle won't let you leave. You want to quit your job, but your monthly bills basically say, nice try. There are 2 paths: spend every raise or use part of it to build actual wealth. The second path is boring at first. Save, invest, repeat. But boring can be surprisingly powerful. 5 years later, the difference becomes obvious. One person owns more stuff, the other owns more freedom. Real wealth isn't looking rich. It's having enough money that one bad month doesn't destroy your life. So when your income rises, enjoy some of it. But don't let every extra dollar become another monthly payment. Because the real goal of money isn't a bigger cage. It's having the freedom to walk away. Every raise gives you a choice. Upgrade your lifestyle or upgrade your future. So next time you get a raise, don't ask, what can I buy? Ask, how much freedom can I buy?